While Tesla grabbed headlines with its Model S and sparked the EV revolution over a decade ago, Honda took a different path, one that many called conservative, even stubborn. The Japanese automaker doubled down on hybrids while competitors rushed headfirst into the electric future. Critics questioned whether Honda was falling behind, missing the boat on the biggest automotive transformation since the internal combustion engine itself. But here's the thing about Honda. They've never been first to market, but they've always been first to perfect. From the fuel-efficient Civic that defined an era to the reliability of the Accord that became America's bestseller, Honda's approach has always been methodical, thorough, and ultimately revolutionary in its own quiet way. Today, that patience is about to pay off in a massive way. Honda isn't just entering the EV game, they're rewriting the rules entirely. With their own in-house EV platform, groundbreaking solid-state battery technology, and electric motor systems that could leapfrog the competition, Honda is positioning itself not as a follower, but as the company that will define the second wave of electric mobility. Honda's journey with electrification began long before most automakers even acknowledged that electric vehicles were more than a novelty. The original Honda Insight, launched in 1999, was America's first mass-produced hybrid vehicle. Yes, it actually beat the Toyota Prius to market by several months. But while Toyota perfected and popularized hybrid technology, Honda seemed content to refine their approach, introducing hybrid systems across their lineup without the fanfare of their competitors. This measured approach served Honda well during the hybrid era, but as pure electric vehicles gained momentum, particularly with Tesla's success, Honda appeared to be caught off guard. Their first serious EV effort, the Honda Clarity Electric, had a range of just 89 miles and was only available in California and Oregon. It was a compliance car at best, a placeholder while Honda figured out their real electric strategy. But behind the scenes, Honda was playing a completely different game. While other manufacturers were rushing to partner with battery suppliers, licensing technologies, and adapting existing platforms for electric powertrains, Honda was building something far more ambitious: a completely vertically integrated electric vehicle ecosystem. The turning point came in 2022 when Honda announced their commitment to phase out internal combustion engines by 2040 globally, with North America leading the charge by 2035. But more importantly, they revealed their plan to develop everything in-house: the batteries, the motors, the software, and the manufacturing processes. This wasn't just about making electric cars. This was about controlling every aspect of the electric vehicle experience. Honda's partnership with Sony to create the Afeela brand was just the beginning. While that collaboration focuses on the premium, tech-forward segment, Honda's internal EV development is aimed at bringing their legendary reliability, efficiency, and value to the mass-market electric vehicle space. Honda's decision to develop their own EV platform represents a fundamental shift in how they approach vehicle development. Unlike many manufacturers who adapt existing internal combustion engine platforms for electric powertrains, a compromise that often results in reduced efficiency and awkward packaging, Honda is creating a platform designed exclusively for electric vehicles. This ground-up approach allows Honda to optimize every aspect of the vehicle for electric propulsion. The battery pack becomes a structural element of the chassis, improving both rigidity and crash safety while lowering the center of gravity for better handling. The absence of a traditional engine bay allows for more creative interior packaging, potentially giving Honda vehicles a space advantage over competitors. But the real innovation lies in Honda's approach to scalability. Their new platform is designed to accommodate everything from compact cars to full-size SUVs, with modular components that can be mixed and matched depending on the vehicle's requirements. This modularity extends to the battery system, where Honda can adjust capacity and configuration based on the specific needs of each model. The platform also incorporates Honda's decades of experience in lightweight construction. While Tesla's Model S weighs over 4,600 pounds, Honda's engineers are targeting significantly lower weights through advanced materials and smart structural design. This weight reduction translates directly to improved efficiency and range, areas where Honda has traditionally excelled. Perhaps most importantly, Honda's platform is designed for manufacturing efficiency. The company has spent decades perfecting their production processes, and this expertise is being applied to electric vehicle assembly. The result should be vehicles that can be produced at scale while maintaining Honda's reputation for quality and reliability. While much attention in the EV world focuses on batteries, Honda's electric motor development might be their most significant competitive advantage. The company's new in-house motor systems represent a complete rethinking of electric propulsion, drawing on Honda's unique expertise in both automotive and motorcycle applications. Honda's approach to electric motors is characteristically different from the industry standard. While most manufacturers use permanent magnet synchronous motors, which rely on rare earth materials like neodymium and dysprosium, Honda is developing advanced induction motors that eliminate the need for these expensive and geopolitically sensitive materials. This isn't just about cost reduction, though that's certainly a benefit. Honda's induction motors are designed to be more durable and require less maintenance than permanent magnet systems. They're also more tolerant of temperature extremes, which is crucial for vehicles that need to operate reliably in everything from Arizona summers to Minnesota winters. The real innovation comes in Honda's motor control systems. The company has developed sophisticated software that can optimize motor performance in real time, based on driving conditions, battery state, and even the driver's style. This system doesn't just maximize efficiency, it also enhances the driving experience by providing the kind of smooth, responsive power delivery that Honda is famous for. Honda's motor development also benefits from their extensive experience in motorcycle manufacturing. The company's electric motorcycles have provided valuable insights into high-performance electric motor design, particularly in terms of power density and thermal management. These lessons are being applied to their automotive motors, resulting in systems that are both more compact and more powerful than traditional designs. The company is also exploring multi-motor configurations that could revolutionize vehicle dynamics. Instead of a single large motor, Honda's future EVs might feature multiple smaller motors that can be controlled independently. This approach enables torque vectoring, improved traction control, and even the ability to continue driving if one motor fails. If Honda's electric motors are their secret weapon, then their solid-state battery technology is their nuclear option. The company's pilot plant in Japan, which began operations in early 2024, represents one of the most significant advances in battery technology since lithium-ion cells were first commercialized. Solid-state batteries replace the liquid electrolyte found in conventional lithium-ion batteries with a solid ceramic material. This seemingly simple change has profound implications for safety, performance, and manufacturing. Solid-state batteries are inherently safer because they can't leak or catch fire the way liquid electrolyte batteries can. They're also more energy-dense, meaning they can store more power in the same space. But the real advantages of Honda's solid-state technology become apparent when you look at the numbers. While current lithium-ion batteries might charge from 10% to 80% in 30 minutes under ideal conditions, Honda's solid-state batteries could achieve the same charge in under 10 minutes. This isn't just incremental improvement, it's a game changer that could eliminate range anxiety entirely. Honda's approach to solid-state battery development is characteristically methodical. Rather than rushing to market with a half-developed technology, they're using their pilot plant to perfect the manufacturing process. This is crucial because solid-state batteries have historically been difficult and expensive to produce at scale. The company's timeline is ambitious but realistic. Honda plans to begin incorporating solid-state batteries into their vehicles by 2027, starting with premium models before expanding to their full lineup. This timeline puts them ahead of most competitors, who are still struggling with the fundamental challenges of solid-state battery production. The contrast between Honda's approach and Tesla's couldn't be more stark, and it reflects two fundamentally different philosophies about electric vehicle development. Tesla's approach has been to move fast and break things, iterating rapidly and improving their products through over-the-air updates and production line modifications. Honda's approach is more traditional. Perfect the technology before it reaches consumers. Tesla's Supercharger network gave them a massive early advantage, but Honda's solid-state battery technology could make fast-charging infrastructure less critical. If Honda's batteries can truly charge in under 10 minutes, the difference between a 150 kilowatt charger and a 350 kilowatt charger becomes less significant. In terms of manufacturing, Tesla has pioneered new production techniques like their structural battery pack and single-piece front casting. But Honda's expertise in lean manufacturing and quality control could prove more valuable in the long run. Tesla's reputation for build quality issues and service problems contrasts sharply with Honda's legendary reliability. The software and autonomous driving capabilities represent perhaps the biggest difference between the two companies. Tesla's full self-driving technology, while controversial, is far ahead of anything Honda has demonstrated. But Honda's approach to driver assistance has always prioritized safety and reliability over flashy features. Range and efficiency comparisons are difficult because Honda's next-generation EVs aren't in production yet. But Honda's track record suggests they'll prioritize real-world efficiency over impressive EPA numbers. While Tesla's Model S can achieve over 400 miles of range, Honda's vehicles will likely offer more consistent performance across different driving conditions and climates. Honda's EV development draws on decades of engineering expertise across multiple disciplines. Their experience with hydrogen fuel cells, gained through the Clarity Fuel Cell program, provided valuable insights into electric powertrain design and energy management. Their motorcycle division contributed expertise in high-performance electric motors and lightweight construction. The company's advanced materials research has been crucial to their solid-state battery development. Honda has been working with ceramic materials for decades, initially for engine components, but more recently for battery applications. This expertise allowed them to approach solid-state battery development from a different angle than most competitors. Honda's simulation and modeling capabilities have also been essential to their EV development. The company uses sophisticated computer modeling to optimize everything from battery pack thermal management to motor magnetic field design. This virtual development approach allows them to test thousands of configurations before building physical prototypes. The company's commitment to in-house development extends to their manufacturing equipment. Honda is developing specialized production tools and processes for their solid-state batteries, motor assemblies, and EV platforms. This vertical integration ensures they can maintain quality control and adapt quickly to design changes. The practical implications of Honda's EV technology are significant for consumers. The combination of solid-state batteries and efficient motor systems could deliver EVs that truly match or exceed the convenience of gasoline vehicles. Range anxiety, currently one of the biggest barriers to EV adoption, becomes irrelevant when vehicles can travel 500-plus miles on a single charge and recharge in less time than it takes to grab a coffee. Honda's solid-state batteries could make this a reality by the end of the decade. The improved safety characteristics of solid-state batteries also address another consumer concern about EVs. While lithium-ion battery fires are statistically rare, they're dramatically publicized when they occur. Solid-state batteries are inherently safer, which should help improve public perception of electric vehicles. Honda's focus on reliability and durability extends to their EV components. While current EV batteries might degrade significantly after 8 to 10 years, Honda's solid-state batteries are designed to maintain their capacity for much longer. This longevity makes EVs more attractive to consumers who plan to keep their vehicles for many years. The company's approach to user experience is also characteristically thoughtful. Rather than overwhelming drivers with complex interfaces and features, Honda's EVs will likely offer intuitive, easy-to-use systems that enhance, rather than complicate, the driving experience. Bringing Honda's EV technology to market requires solving significant manufacturing challenges. Solid-state batteries, in particular, require completely different production processes than conventional lithium-ion cells. Honda's pilot plant is crucial to developing these processes before full-scale production begins. The company is investing heavily in automation and quality control systems for their EV production. Their manufacturing facilities will need to handle the precision required for solid-state battery assembly while maintaining the efficiency that makes Honda vehicles affordable. Supply chain considerations are also important. While Honda's induction motors reduce dependence on rare earth materials, solid-state batteries require other specialized materials. The company is working to secure reliable supplies of these materials while also developing recycling processes for end-of-life batteries. Honda's global manufacturing network will be crucial to their EV success. The company plans to produce EVs in multiple regions to reduce costs and improve supply chain resilience. This distributed manufacturing approach also allows Honda to adapt their vehicles to local market requirements. Honda's EV strategy positions them uniquely in the market. While Tesla targets the premium segment and Chinese manufacturers compete on price, Honda aims to deliver affordable, reliable EVs that appeal to mainstream consumers. This positioning plays to Honda's traditional strengths while addressing the largest segment of the EV market. The company's reputation for reliability and value should help them compete effectively against both traditional automakers and new EV specialists. Honda's dealer network and service infrastructure also provide advantages that direct sales companies like Tesla lack. Honda's timeline for EV introduction is aggressive but achievable. The company plans to launch multiple EV models before 2030, with their solid-state battery technology providing a significant competitive advantage. This timing could allow Honda to capture market share as the EV market matures and early adopters are replaced by mainstream consumers. Honda's EV development represents more than just new products. It's a fundamental transformation of the company. The shift from internal combustion engines to electric powertrains requires new manufacturing processes, supply chains, and expertise. Honda's comprehensive approach to this transformation, developing everything from batteries to motors to software in-house, positions them well for long-term success. The company's commitment to sustainability extends beyond just building electric vehicles. Honda is working to make their entire EV supply chain carbon neutral, from battery production to vehicle assembly. This holistic approach to environmental responsibility could become a significant competitive advantage as consumers become more environmentally conscious. Honda's partnership strategy also reflects their thoughtful approach to EV development. Rather than trying to do everything themselves, they're collaborating with companies like Sony where it makes sense while maintaining control over core technologies. This balanced approach allows them to benefit from external expertise while preserving their competitive advantages. The potential impact of Honda's EV technology extends beyond their own vehicles. If successful, their solid-state battery technology could be licensed to other manufacturers, creating a new revenue stream while accelerating the adoption of safer, more efficient EV technology across the industry. Honda's approach to electric vehicle development reflects the company's core philosophy: methodical, thorough, and ultimately transformative. While competitors rushed to market with first-generation EV technology, Honda took the time to develop solutions that could truly replace internal combustion engines without compromise. The combination of solid-state batteries, advanced electric motors, and purpose-built EV platforms represents a complete reimagining of what electric vehicles can be. Honda's technology promises not just better EVs, but EVs that are genuinely superior to gasoline vehicles in every meaningful way. As Honda's EV technology moves from development to production, the automotive industry should take note. The company that quietly perfected the hybrid, while others dismissed it as a curiosity, is now positioned to do the same thing with electric vehicles. Honda's patient, methodical approach to EV development could ultimately prove more successful than the rush to market that has characterized the industry's first wave of electrification. The next few years will be crucial for Honda as they bring their EV technology to market. But based on their track record of engineering excellence and their comprehensive approach to EV development, Honda is well positioned to play a leading role in the electric vehicle revolution. If you found this deep dive into Honda's EV technology fascinating, you're going to love what else we have planned. From Tesla's next-generation battery technology to the latest developments in autonomous driving, Car Curator brings you the most comprehensive coverage of automotive innovation. Don't miss out on the future of transportation. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of automotive enthusiasts who want to stay ahead of the curve. Subscribe to Car Curator today and never miss an update on the technologies that will shape tomorrow's vehicles.